we have division of algebraic fractions. We know that when we have to do the division of algebraic fractions, we have to use the same rule like for division of fractions. It means we have to copy first fraction 4t cubed over 8t, change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction. It means numerator will go to denominator and the denominator to numerator. So we will have 6t to 5th power over 9t. So this is equal, and now we have multiplication of fractions. So we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So this is equal 4t cubed times 6t to 5th power over 8t times 9t. Next, we have to reduce to the lowest power. Before we multiply, we can reduce something. We can reduce always number with numbers, the same variable with the same variable. And what we have here? We have 4 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 8 and 9. So we can reduce 4 with 8. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Next, we have 6 and 9. We reduce always numerator with denominator, and we can reduce always when we can have multiplication. We have multiplication here. If we don't have sign, it's always multiplication. So 6 and 9, the greatest common factor for 6 and 9 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we have now 1 times 2 is 2. And we have t cubed times t to 5th power, the same base. So we copy the base and we have to add exponents. So we have 3 plus 5, so this is equal 8. Over 2 times 3 is 6. And we have t times t is t squared. I forgot. We still can reduce. We can reduce 2 with 2, so if I forgot about this, so we can do this now. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now we have only t to 8th power in the numerator, because 1 times t to 8th power is t to 8th power, and in denominator we have t 3t square. This is equal because we have the same variable and we have multiplication, so we can reduce. We have t to 8th power and t to 2nd power. So like before, we have to copy, of course, the number and the lowest power, so t to 2nd power, and we rewrite t to 8th power, that this is t to 2nd power times t. 8 minus 2 give me 6. Why I put t to 2nd power? Because I have in the denominator t to 2nd power. So now when I have multiplication, I can reduce this t square and t square. And always when we have the same base, we just add exponents. So I didn't change anything in numerator. I still have t to 8th power because 2 plus 6 is 8. I just use property of exponent when we have the same base. So a to power n times a to power m. This is a to power n plus m. I just use this property. And now, when we have the same expression, we can reduce. We can cancel out t squared and t squared. So in the numerator we have t to 6th power, in the denominator we have 3. This is my solution.